Hi guys, hello, good morning. It's been a while, it's been 2 weeks. I've been in Bali, away for nearly 2 weeks, and I didn't do live videos. We actually couldn't do anything live from Bali because social media was off. There was no Facebook, no Instagram, no WhatsApp for a while, so it was a bit weird. Anyway, so today I was going to do something amazing with the curry paste that we had in Bali because we did so many. And the time ran away from me and I had a weekend. How about that? So last week Bree did a very vanilla chai powder, so I thought I'd talk to you about that today. We're going to put the recipe up later today, and I'm going to show you how to froth your milk in the Thermomix. If you don't already know how to do that, it's really simple. So we're going to get going. I'm just going to pour in some milk. I might weigh it because I just would like to know. I'm going to do 400. I think. Oh, 405, good guess. And I'm going for 5 minutes on 80. And just speed 4. Actually, it might be too noisy. Is that too noisy? Can you hear me okay? Is anyone there? Talking to myself? Good? All good? Hope everyone had a nice long weekend in Western Australia. Anyway, so we're going to heat the milk up for 5 minutes on 80 degrees. You don't want to go above 80 because it starts to burn the sugars in the milk or the lactose in the milk, and you get a funny taste. You can do this with coconut milk or nut milk or rice milk, any other milk other than dairy is fine as well. Same sort of principle. Don't go over 80 degrees. 80 is more than hot enough for what we're doing. So what we have in our chai powder, it's very, very delicious. If you have a look here, I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to talk you through what's in it. It smells incredible. You could actually put that in your kitchen with the lid off, and it's really, really pretty smell, pretty fragrance. So it's got 6 dried vanilla beans, so that's quite a few. What you do to dry vanilla beans is just put them in a 200 degree oven for 10 minutes. Cold oven, set to 200, and then it'll snap. And then it mills down quite nicely. You don't have to muck around with the seeds or anything, you just use the whole bean. We've got cinnamon sticks in here, cardamom seeds rather than the pods, and ginger powder, nutmeg powder, whole cloves, allspice, and some pepper. And then you just blend it all up and add some coconut sugar, so it's about half-half. So if you wanted to make your own version of chai, it's very easy. Just put together all the flavours that you like in spices, and then double the weight with the coconut sugar if you want to sweeten it. Otherwise you can just sweeten it to taste. I personally think this would probably need a little bit of honey or something to pull it over the edge of just like that bitterness, because spices on their own can be quite bitter. And then all you do is serve it in hot milk or in your tea or in your brewed chocolate or your coffee. You just use a little bit of it, and perfect for a winter morning. So what's everyone up to? Any questions for me? No, you're just all stunned. I'm back. I'm back. We had a great time in Bali. We ate way too much. We met some really amazing, lovely people. And I'm going to Singapore in September. So if you want to come to Singapore with me, we have 3 spaces left. So go and have a look in the store. We'll maybe put the link in later for you to have a look at. Go and have a look and a read about Singapore Foodie Fling. It's going to be a lot of fun. More fun than is legal. Lots and lots of amazing experiences related to food, and like I said, only 3 places left, so you want to do that. We're also looking today, we're working out who our TM6 winner is, because we haven't done that yet. So our competition for the Thermomix 6 closed on Friday night. If you're an insider, I'm hoping you've already entered. If you haven't, you can still enter. There's actually the form still there if you're already an insider. You can quickly go and enter, because we're going to have a look at that today and see who our winner is, and we'll be letting you know on social media. We'll be having a phone call, I think. If they're in Western Australia, we might surprise them. I don't know, we'll see. With a video maybe, I don't know. And then we'll be announcing that, and then we've got lots and lots of really exciting stuff coming up on the inside. So if you're not an insider, you might want to be. I think you will. There's so much happening. So Any questions?
Yeah, Penny asked, will you put your recipe for the chai powder online?
Yes, Penny. Is that which Penny is that?
Penny Godfrey.
Penny Godfrey. You know I will put that recipe online. She's a troublemaker. She's just like Natalie Cream. Those two, I'm telling you, they should get together. Big trouble. Yeah, so that'll be online later today. I'll put it up as soon as we've taken a photo, to be honest. Haven't done the photo yet. So, okay, we've still got a minute. You're going to have to chat to me. I can talk, underwater with a mouthful of marbles, but I want to know what you want to know. Any questions? No. Oh my gosh. Is anyone waving on Instagram? Yeah? Okay, cool.
Yeah, everyone's saying hi.
Hi. Hi. What's the weather like where you are? It's beautiful and sunny today. It's only 13 degrees here in Perth right at the minute, or at my house anyway. Anyone got colder than that? It's raining, snowing, hot weather up north. I don't know, where are you? Okay, 11 seconds. I can do this. I can keep chatting.
Penny says to Nina, you know I love stalking you.
I do, Penny. Thank goodness for people like you. That's all I can say. Okay, so now it's going to do its cooling down thing. And then what I'm going to do, I'll show you how hot it is, the milk. Oh, you're going to have to wait 3 seconds while it opens. Oh no. So it's pretty hot. You can see a lot of steam there. And it is kind of frothy already. So what we're going to do is whip that some more and get a really nice froth on it. And I'm just going to go up to speed, probably 5 or 6. You don't want to go too high because it sort of beats the froth back out of it, because we've created some froth already. So this is if you're doing a cappuccino, here you go. You don't need a milk frother, you've got a thermo. So we'll just let it go, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, and see how many bubbles we can achieve. I'm going to put some of this in my cups. Not a great deal, I don't think. Probably a teaspoon or so. I tend to go over rather than under, but you know that about me. I'm an extremist when it comes to flavour. Chat. Okay. Let's see how we go here. So we've got a bit of froth. And then just dissolve this in the hot milk. Hopefully we've got enough of this one too. There you go, guys. How good is that? Froth at the end. I can't do pretty patterns, sorry. I'm not good at that. I'm not a barista. But how cute is that? Do you like the idea of that? Yum. Doesn't that look good? Just dissolve all that. Yum, it smells amazing. So you can imagine, it's easy to do a cappuccino with this milk, frothed milk. So that was, how long? 5 minutes on 80 and then 30 seconds, 5 minutes on 80 on speed 4, and then 30 seconds on speed 5.5, just to get the froth happening. Shall I taste? Going in, Bree. Haven't tasted it yet. Bree's on Instagram camera. It's actually really good, and like a nice sweetness. It's like not overly sweet, which is quite nice. It's very pleasant. So go and try harder. Have a great Tuesday, a chai's day. Any questions? No?
Yeah, Penny asked, why don't you put the whisk in when you froth the milk?
Oh, because it does it anyway. So why wash a whisk if you don't have to? Why whisk it? Have a good one, guys. See ya.